Hello everyone and welcome. I'm so excited to be sharing with you my philosophy on creating a wardrobe that sparks joy every time you open it. Our wardrobes are much more than just storage spaces for clothes. They are intimate reflections of ourselves, our lifestyles and our aspirations. By thoughtfully selecting and organizing each piece, we can transform our relationship with clothing and experience a deeper sense of joy every single day. So let's embark on this journey together and discover the transformative power of a well-curated wardrobe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on mastering your perfect wardrobe. Before we even open our wardrobes, let's take a moment to reflect on our lives. Consider your daily routines and the activities that fill your days. Do you spend most of your time in an office environment, needing to maintain a professional image? Or perhaps your days are filled with creative pursuits, calling for more free-flowing and expressive attire. Think about the social events you attend, the hobbies you enjoy, and even the way you prefer to spend your leisure time. Each aspect of your life plays a role in shaping the ideal wardrobe. Embrace the joy of dressing for the life you have, and let your clothing reflect the beautiful tapestry of experiences that make you uniquely you. Color has this incredible ability to evoke emotions, shape perceptions, and even influence our energy levels. When it comes to our wardrobes, choosing a harmonious color palette can make all the difference. Start by considering the colors you gravitate towards naturally. Building a base of neutral colors like black, white, navy, and beige is a wonderful foundation, as these versatile hues can be effortlessly mixed and matched. Once you have your neutrals, allow yourself to introduce a few accent colors that bring you joy. Remember, the key is to select colors that resonate with your heart and complement your natural coloring. Just like a well-stocked pantry, a curated wardrobe thrives on a collection of essential staples. These are the foundational pieces that form the backbone of countless outfits and ensure you're always ready for any occasion. Let's start with tops. Having a few high-quality, basic t-shirts in neutral colors is essential. A crisp white shirt, a beautifully tailored blouse, and a cozy yet stylish knit are also timeless additions. Moving on to bottoms, a pair of well-fitted jeans is a must-have for both casual and slightly dressier looks. Tailored trousers instantly elevate any outfit, while a versatile skirt can be dressed up or down with ease. And no capsule wardrobe is complete without a little black dress for evening outings and a comfortable yet stylish day dress for those relaxed occasions. Now that we've established a strong foundation with our wardrobe staples, it's time to infuse our unique personalities into the mix. This is where statement pieces come into play, those special items that truly reflect your individual style and make your heart sing. A statement piece could be anything from a vibrantly patterned blouse to a bold and structured jacket, a pair of eye-catching shoes, or even a unique piece of jewelry. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures, prints and silhouettes that speak to you. These pieces are meant to stand out and add a touch of drama to your everyday looks. When you incorporate statement pieces thoughtfully, they can elevate even the simplest of outfits and transform your look from ordinary to extraordinary. Just as a house needs a strong foundation, a complete wardrobe requires the perfect footwear to carry you through life's adventures. A pair of comfortable yet stylish trainers is a must-have for casual outings, errands, and those days when you're constantly on the go. Opt for classic white or black sneakers, or explore fun colors and patterns to add a touch of personality. For a more polished look, classic ankle boots are incredibly versatile. They can be paired with jeans, dresses, skirts. The possibilities are endless. Choose from sleek leather boots, suede booties, or even statement-making animal prints. And of course, no shoe collection would be complete without a pair of heels or smart shoes for formal occasions, special events, or those times when you want to elevate your outfit. Choose shoes that make you feel confident and ready to take on the world, one stylish step at a time. Accessories are the secret ingredient that can transform any outfit from simple to sensational. They have the power to add personality, elevate your look, and even shift the overall vibe of an ensemble. Start with a collection of versatile scarves. A silk scarf can add a touch of elegance to a blazer. A cozy knit scarf is perfect for colder days, and a brightly patterned scarf can instantly brighten up a neutral outfit. Statement jewelry is another fantastic way to express your personal style. Invest in a few key pieces that you love, such as a bold necklace, eye-catching earrings, or a statement ring. And of course, no outfit is complete without the perfect handbag. Choose a variety of sizes and styles to suit different occasions, from a spacious tote for everyday use to a sleek clutch for evenings out. Just as nature goes through its own cycles of change, our wardrobes too can benefit from a seasonal refresh. Rotating your clothing items not only frees up valuable space, but also allows you to appreciate and rediscover pieces you may have forgotten about. As the weather transitions, take some time to pack away out-of-season clothing. This could include storing away bulky sweaters and coats as warmer days arrive, or putting away lighter dresses and sandals during the colder months. Before storing your clothes, make sure they're clean and completely dry to prevent any damage or musty odors. Use breathable storage containers or garment bags to protect your clothes and keep them in pristine condition. Seasonal rotation not only keeps your wardrobe organized, but also allows you to approach each season with a fresh perspective. Holding onto clothes that no longer serve us creates clutter and prevents us from appreciating the pieces we love. Regularly editing our wardrobes can be incredibly liberating. Review each item with a discerning eye and a compassionate heart. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? Does it fit my current lifestyle? If not, let go with gratitude. Thank the item and release it from your wardrobe. Create room for new possibilities and a wardrobe filled with joy. Layering is a transformative styling technique that creates endless outfit possibilities. It adapts to changing weather, adding dimension, texture, and visual interest. Invest in cardigans, jumpers, denim jackets, and blazers. Mix and match to create multiple outfits. Consider fabrics and textures. A chunky knit over a flowy dress looks chic. A silk blouse under a blazer adds elegance. A longer cardigan over a shorter dress flatters. A cropped jumper with high-waisted trousers is modern. Embrace the endless possibilities of layering. And there you have it, my step-by-step guide to creating a wardrobe that truly sparks joy. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Take your time, be patient with yourself, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Each time you open your wardrobe, may you feel a sense of excitement and gratitude for the carefully chosen pieces that reflect your unique personality and lifestyle. Happy styling!